Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom header in Shopify even if you are a total beginner. Whether you want to change the layout, add a contact button, or tweak the design, I have got you covered step by step. Here's what we will do. Customize your Shopify header with your logo, tweak the navigation menu, add extra elements like a phone number or button, and make it look clean and responsive on all devices. Let's dive in. First of all, go to shopify.com and log into your account with your login credentials from shopify.com. First of all, always back up your theme. Just go to online theme. Oh, sorry, online store, then themes. Now click the three dot icon and click duplicate. Now go to edit code from here. Go to sections folder. Find the header liquid folder file from here, or you can search by search filter files tab header liquid. Click on it. This is where your header lives. In the header.liquid file, you will find code for the logo, navigation, and maybe a search bar. To add a simple custom message or contact link, paste this just below the logo area. Press Ctrl plus F from your keyboard. Search for logo. Now here, write the code. Wait a minute. Deep tag, then pick class, then write custom header information. Now pick p tab or p tag. Now call us, then a tag is r is ref, then write tell, you enter your number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again enter your number, then add closing tag. That's it. And finally just add a deep closing tag. This adds a phone number or a message right in the header. Want to call to action button in your header, paste this right after the navigation code. Search again, navigation. If don't available from here, just skip it now. Go to your assets tab and search for base. Click save. Now from here, search for base .css. Scroll to the bottom and paste this. Custom header information, font size, font size 14 pixel px. Now color, choose a color code 53 for this tutorial. Then margin to right 20 pixel. Then enter. Click here and enter. Then again header dot button. Then add padding 8 pixel, 16 pixel. Then background color. Enter color code 007 ACE. Then color white. Text declaration or decoration. Then none. Then border radius, 5 pixel. Then font weight, bold. That's it. Then click save. This gives your header a nice clean look with a working button. To change your logo or navigation menu, go to customize, go to online store. Then go to online store, then themes, then click customize from here. Click the header section, then click theme settings. Now select your logo from here or add it from your desktop. And select it and done. Now it's added. Always check how your header looks on mobile. Use the mobile preview in the customize editor or shrink your browser window. If something looks off, you can adjust with media queries in the CSS later. And that's how you create a custom header in Shopify with your logo, navigation, phone number, and a button. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.